Hey, I'm Jenny Faye, and I'm an easy baker. So my friends think that I have cupcake superpowers. I think it's because I'm always able to miraculously have cupcakes on hand, but I'm gonna let you guys in on a secret so you can have cupcake superpowers too. I make them when I have time, and then I freeze them, so I can pull them out whenever I need them. But you have to do it well, otherwise they're gonna taste like frozen cupcakes. So here's what we do. We start with a good cupcake. You can check out my video for vanilla cupcakes to see how we made these. So we have great cupcakes right here. We're gonna make sure that they are nice and cool. You don't wanna freeze them if they haven't cooled down yet. These are completely cool, and we're gonna put them in a freezer bag. And really all you do is you take your cooled cupcakes and you pack them in tight. Once they're in tight, and you can probably get about a dozen, maybe a little bit more into a bag, we seal them up nicely, and then we're gonna freeze them. Okay, so now we have our 2 bags of cupcakes. We made sure that all the air was out, sealed them tight in our freezer bags, and we're just gonna lay them flat in a freezer. The great thing about this is you can freeze them for up to 3 months and then just pull out as many as you need. I very rarely need 24 cupcakes for an event or a party, but I often need 6 to 10, so it's great to be able to pull out what you need and even mix and match. You can check out another one of my videos to see how you can make and freeze frosting in advance, so that really the day of your dinner or the day of your party, you just grab everything out of the freezer and assemble it. On the day that you want to use these, you're gonna take them out of the freezer about half an hour to an hour before you need to serve them. You frost them right when they're frozen, leave them on a plate for, like I said, half an hour to an hour. They're ready to roll. My friends are amazed when I let them in on the secret that they were frozen. You don't have to let your friends in on the secret. You can just let your friends be amazed with you. Guys, thanks for checking this out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can be up to date on all of the Easy Baker videos. Thanks. See you next time.